So you want to start by getting yourself some glass containers, clear obviously so the stripes show through. And then you want to heat your wax and put in your color and scent. If you don't know how to do this, check out my basics tutorial. And then just put a little bit of wax in the bottom of your container and stick your wick in there. Do that to all of them, all your containers, and let the wax harden. Once the wax is hardened, pull your wicks up tight so that the wick holder holds them nice and straight. So the two on the right I'm going to leave flat. The two on the left I want to be diagonal stripes. So I'm just going to prop them up on a knife just like that. And what that'll do is that'll make all the stripes diagonal. So when I pour in more wax, the stripes will become diagonal. So for the two that I want to be diagonal, I just finished it off with a little more of that pink wax in the bottom so that the line would be diagonal. So you can see the ones on the left have diagonal, the ones on the right are flat. So then heat up some more wax in another color. You can use another scent too if you wanted. I'm doing kind of an orangey colored wax with an orangey colored scent. And then you'll just fill your containers. The ones on the left here that I've got propped up on the knife, you just pour it in the same way you do as the ones on the right that are flat, but the ones on the left, the stripes become diagonal. So here you can see the difference in the stripes. If you want your stripes, your colors to blend together a little more, then pour them while the previous layer of wax is still a little bit warm. If you want your stripes to be really crisp in between the colors, then wait until the previous layer of wax has completely cooled before you pour in the next one. So here's my third pouring, and then for the fourth one I did green wax and I did apple scent. So I like using a different color scent. I like using a different scent for each different color. Makes it kind of a fun candle burning experience. And then I did blue with jasmine, getting very close to the top, so I've got room for one more layer. So once the blue was dried, I pulled off all the wick holders to give myself more room. And then on this stage you want to remove the prop for your diagonal candles as well, because you want the top of the candle to be flat. So pour in your final layer, and that will flatten out the top of the candle. And then let that harden. And so once they've hardened, even the candle with the diagonal stripes, the top is nice and flat. So here's the one with the flat stripes. Here's the one with the diagonal stripes. And you can do these in any color. Like here's some that I did that were just pink and blue. You can do as many colors as you want.